first grade. For this project, we are going to be only drawing, tracing, and erasing for this portion today. And we're going to be making more of an abstract picture. So it's not of any specific object like a cupcake or a lighthouse or a city or an animal. It's going to be using geometric shapes. So geometric shapes are like squares, ovals, circles, those shapes that we have specific names for or that you might use in like math class, okay? Now you're going to choose one or two, if you want, geometric shapes. So I found, or you can make a shape. So I took, this is just a little piece of cardboard from something. It's really thin, just heavier paper. But you could use construction paper, separate piece of paper to make a shape that you're going to be using to trace, or you could find like a little lid or the bottom of a cup would work too to trace. Something round or oval, any geometric shape. And what you're going to be doing is tracing this, overlapping a bunch of times on your paper. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to lay it on my page somewhere. I'm going to trace it. And I'm going to be repeating this geometric shape. So I did one. I'm going to do it with marker now because I want you to use pencil first, but I'm going to do it with marker so that you can see, because I know it's a little hard to see on my picture. I'm going to overlap so it goes on top of that one a little bit, and I'm going to trace it again. So don't keep them separate. Go ahead and overlap. Don't trace with marker just in case that it slips or you go too far, you can't erase it. See, I went too far on that one. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to repeat it. I'm going to overlap it down here. Tracing. Carefully hold it tight. If you need somebody to help you hold your object, so you don't have to draw with me right now, you're just watching. All right, now I think I'm going to add a few circles. So I'm going to overlap a little bit. I'm going to trace around it. I'm going to go right over top here. And I think I can add one more right here to really fill up my page. Now, if you want, you can even have them look like they go off of the page. So then I would only be tracing part of it, right? So it goes off of the page. I'm going to do one more of those down here. And one more right here. All right. So once you have all of your geometric shapes drawn with a pencil, go back and trace your lines, every single shape. And make your cool geometric shape design. And when you're done tracing and erasing all of your lines, you're going to post a picture of it on Seesaw so I can see it, and then wait until next week and I'll show you what we're going to be doing with this.